Hello, students. Let's take a few minutes and let's do a long and short vowel sound review. All right? And so you know the long sound of the vowel, of the 5 vowels, are A, E, I, O, U. The short sound of the 5 vowels are A, E, A. All right, and so very important for you to memorize those sounds so you know how to say the sounds when you see the word and you know the rules. And so here are the rules. The rules are when there are 2 vowels together, this like in E and an A, or an O and an I, the second vowel is silent. It does not make a sound, and the first vowel makes the long sound. When there is an E at the end of the word, the E is silent, but the E makes the vowel in front of it say the long sound. So those are 2 simple rules for the long sound of the vowel. The short sound, if there is a consonant in front of the vowel and a consonant behind the vowel usually makes the short sound, all right? And so those are 3 simple rules that will help you to pronounce single-syllable words, 2-syllable words, and multi-syllable words. And so when you're trying to pronounce a word, pronounce it in syllables. Pronounce the first syllable, the second syllable, and then the third or fourth syllable, and pay attention to the vowels because every syllable has a vowel. And so I think this will help you in your pronunciation. And so remember these rules, and let's say these words together. Say them after me. Neat, pet, can, bird, bunk, loan, car, rub, seat, fall, left, pot, 2, tuck, loot, fat, cat, set, roll, knot, file, still, late, boat, haul, brace, reel, cold, lace, top, sap, half. So this is the correct pronunciation. Remember the rules, and the lesson is say the name of the picture at the beginning of each row and listen for the vowel sound. Then circle the word in each sentence that has the same vowel sound as the picture. All right? And so let's do that. This is your homework, and so you can write these. So number 1 is nest. What word has the same vowel sound in this row as nest? Number 2, truck. Truck. What word in this row has the same vowel sound as truck? Circle the word. Number 3, key. What word in this row has the same vowel sound as key? Bus. What word has the same vowel sound? Cone. What word has the same vowel sound? Leaf. The long E sound. What word has the same vowel sound? Number 7, rake. Long A sound. What word has the same vowel sound? Hat. short A sound. What word has the same vowel sound? If we go back to number 1, nest, short E sound. Truck, short U sound. Key, E, long E sound. Bus, short U sound. Number 5, cone, O, long O sound. 6, leaf, E, long E sound. Number 7, rake, A, long A sound. Number 8, hat, short A sound. And so your homework is to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and write the word in the row that makes the same sound as the picture, all right? So you might want to watch this video slowly and practice saying this after me, and then do the homework. See you in the next lesson.